Hey guys!
Welcome back!
Y'all, we have to take you with us as we do a serious hair refresher. I'm going to be doing my shampoo regimen as well as my wash and go.
And I'll be doing a quick updo style. Let's go!
This is the best part, y'all, about having a girlfriend that does hair too, is that you get your hair shampooed and it's the best shampoo ever. So you guys, the first shampoo that she's getting ready to use on my hair is the Dr.Bronners 18-in-1 Hemp Tea Tree Pure Castile Soap. It's one of the best shampoos that I absolutely love and live by. It's a great clarifying shampoo, and they have a lot of different scents and things of that nature, so check it out.
Yep, the second shampoo is actually our in-house Forever Unique product line. This is an all-natural shampoo that's actually made from scratch, and you can actually pick this up at www.foreveruniqueproducts.com.
All right, you guys. So now, the third shampoo. Yes, we do 3 shampoos. So this one is by Design Essential, and it's the Peppermint and Aloe Anti-Itch Shampoo. Y'all, when I tell y'all my hair feels like a peppermint patty, it feels like a peppermint patty. So you guys have got to check it out. And now, you guys, the conditioner that we're using is also by Design Essentials, and it's actually the almond butter conditioner.
As you can see.
And while she's massaging that in, after all that is said and done, she's actually going to detangle my hair. And you guys, you can also do this, all these steps you can do at home. You don't have to do it at a shop or have a quote-unquote professional do it. But
it's good to have one, especially when you feel like washing your hair.
Yeah.
It's good to be pampered.
Yes. Woo, y'all, my hair feels so refreshed. Y'all, this product right here, this Forever Unique Herbal Growth Spray, y'all, I live by it. It helps promote healthy hair growth, treats thinning hair, reduces breakage and split ends, and also decreases germs and bacteria from your scalp, along with other things. It also, you guys, has a key ingredient, which is called horsetail tea. Y'all, it stimulates growth like a mother. So, the next step is this Cream of Nature Twirling Custard. Yes, I only do 2 steps. I like my wash and goes to be very lightweight. I like for my curls to be naturally defined, and this product lets my hair be great. So I just take a little bit, I put it on my hair and make sure it's evenly distributed, and can't wait for you guys to see it when it dries.
So here's a quick updo style that we'll be doing today. So the first thing I always use and I always get in trouble for is the Herbal Growth Spray by Forever Unique Products. Once again, it promotes hair growth. It's good for treating thinning hair, reduces breakage, decreases the germs and bacteria. And of course, that horsetail tea always has my roots boost. So my consultant is always mad at me. On top of that, I love the Forever Unique Hair and Body Oil. That one you saw was pink sugar, which is the #1 seller. Everybody loves pink sugar, but it also has the horsetail tea in it too, so you're gonna get that growth as well. Right now, I'm just basically putting it all throughout my hair, refreshing my scalp, massaging it in, and now it's time for the quick style. So I'm just sectioning my hair in the front, just a basic U shape from brow to brow length, and leave that part out. It's a lot of hair.
Yes, it is.
A lot of hair. I just realized it's a lot of hair. Yes, arms was definitely burning doing a ponytail. Basically just doing an updo ponytail. And on this step, I'm basically using my own hair. Of course, you can use scrunchies, rubber bands, anything to actually hold your hair in place. But I'm just going to take a little bit of my hair and actually wrap it around my ponytail. So that way it'll keep it up, placed, and high.
A lot of wrapping, y'all. That's one wrap.
I know, right? You got to go all the way around. But make sure it keeps it nice and taut. And it's also, I always like to use my hair too. So I don't have anything sticking and pulling in my hair as well. So basically with the front part, I'm going to create a swoop in front of my hair, making sure everything is evenly distributed. And swooping around, and I will also tie this part, the end part of this, also around my ponytail as well. And once again, if your hair isn't this long, you don't have to wrap it around. You can also just use a couple hairpins to actually lay it down flat around the back. But for me, I'm just going to take this piece and give it a twirl around the top ponytail. Just creating extra security for my high ponytail look. is a basic swoop ponytail that I love. This is like my definitely go-to style. And I always get people ask me, well, how do you do it? How do you make it stay up? That's simple, and I'm actually going to use one hairpin. So in this whole updo, I have one hairpin, believe it or not. Tuck and swoop, and make sure you bring that swoop down front. And there you have it. A cute swoop updo ponytail for you. A nice little quick and go style.
Banging.
It sound the same, but it's different. If you can find the paper, cut the clipping. Newsflash, yeah, we whipping, but the swag so fresh, we can do it while we jigging, yeah.
Ooh, y'all, this is my wash and go. I absolutely love it, y'all. My hair is completely dried here.
Yes, and here I go with my high ponytail. Check out the back, check out the front. Love it.
Now,
Ready to go.
so you guys can see how unrefreshed we looked before.
Yes.
And now we are ready to paint the town blue, red, orange,
Whatever
pink,
color
green,
you
whatever
want.
color
Here
you
we
want.
come.
We coming for it, y'all.
Curly Intuitionz, baby.
Ooh, we hope you guys really enjoyed this video. We had a blast putting it together
So
for
much
you
fun.
guys. So yeah, we'll see you next time.
See you later. Adjust your crowns.
Adjust them crowns.
And you can't help it, you just gotta sing. You think you already know how this gon' go. Sound the same, but it's different, yeah. You already know. Kinda the same, but it's different, yeah. You already know. Kinda the same, but it's different. Already know that the fresh don't fade. Already know that the fresh gon' stay.